Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change who can follow you on Facebook using the mobile app. This is a great way to control your privacy and who can see your posts. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Icon Settings at top. In the Settings menu, look for the section called Followers and Public Content. Tap on it. Next, you'll see an option that says Who can follow me? Tap on that option. You'll be given a few choices. Public. Anyone, even people who aren't your friends, can follow you. Friends. Only your friends on Facebook can follow you. Choose the option that fits your privacy preferences. And click on Save. And that's it. Now you know how to change who can follow you on Facebook using the mobile app. It's a simple way to control your privacy and make sure only the people you want can follow you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Leave any questions you have in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.